This is Annie. Annie is a very happy chicken. She spends most of her days looking for food. And she mostly loves bread.
Annie, come on, Annie, come on. Come on, Annie. Hey, over here, have some.
When she's done eating, Annie spends the rest of her time surveying the yard for intruders. When they do make it in, she makes sure that they get out in a hurry. Sometimes she has to peck them, other times they know. When she's all done for the day, she heads up the stairs to her final roosting point, where she spends the night watching the town. Annie says hi to her mom before making her way up. Always a watchful chicken, Annie surveys the whole town before she feels safe settling down for the night. Finally, when she feels it's safe, she sits down, and there she'll spend the whole night waiting for morning to come so she can do it all over again. But before she closes her eyes, Annie has to make sure that everything is a-okay. She watches Main Street for any intruders. Oh, there's one right there. Can't go to bed until she's gone to bed too. Annie is a very happy chicken. Good night, Annie.